Hello guys, I'm Grimby here, and what I got here is a Wonder Bread sandwich container. I got at a estate or moving sale in the free box of it. I did buy something, it was a tweet plush that talks. And why am I showing you this sandwich container? That's because today I'm gonna be trying something that Wonder Bread introduced recently called Wonder Snacks, about everything from donuts, honey buns, cupcakes, regular cakes, and without further ado, let's give these a try. First one I'm going to be trying is banana cream cakes. Oh boy, you can smell the banana. Hmm. Okay, like, oh boy, this is very good. Like, oh boy, like, this is a very good aroma. Very good taste. It really is delicious. Next up, we got here is triple chocolate cake. And okay, let's see here. This is a lot more moist. Oh, oh yeah, like, oh, that's a good filling. Like, oh yeah, like, oh my, mm, oh my, this is amazing. Next, okay, next one up we got here is the confetti cake. Oh, jeez. Okay. Looks like it has some sprinkles on here. Great, great confetti filling. Hmm. Uh, Great cake taste, but it's no Little Debbie's birthday cake. But it's at least neat. Last one up for is the peanut butter cupcake. So they're like the Hostess ones, or so they're like peanut butter. So they're like the Mrs. Presley Reese's cupcakes. Let's see, it has a well like this is a very spongy feel. The chocolate looks really goodly designed. Hmm. Hmm. Great peanut butter feeling, but the but the cake part kind of doesn't really taste chocolatey. It tastes more like coffee. Like, overall, from best to worst, I would probably have to say the triple chocolate ones, the banana one, cream ones, and the funfetti ones, and these. Overall, will I really go out and go over these? Not really. I could probably just go with Little Debbie's or like a Hostess Ding Dong. They're nothing. They just exist. They're nothing much. They aren't really something to go out for. Like overall, they're most of them are delicious. They're just not really something I would be, really want to go for when I'm like, I could just go for better stuff. Like, it's just that. That's basically overall. Like, I'm only doing this because I thought it would be a pretty something interesting video to do.